tonight we're stepping back into 1962, but not the way you remember it, because what you're looking at isn't just a classic, it isn't just a restoration, and it's definitely not your grandfather's Sunday cruiser. This is a fully frame-off, restored 1962 Chevrolet Impala Restomod, finished in factory-correct Roman red, sitting low and proud, blending timeless American design with modern muscle and drivability. And at $66,995, this might be one of the cleanest, most intelligently built street machines on the market today. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love iconic American iron reimagined with precision, craftsmanship, and performance, you're in the right place. Let's take a slow walk around this masterpiece. The 1962 Impala is one of the most recognized silhouettes in American automotive history. The long, sweeping body lines, the crisp rear quarters, the subtle fins, the elegant chrome trim. It's a car that doesn't need to scream for attention, it commands it. And finished in factory-correct Roman red, this one captures the spirit of early 60s America perfectly. Under the lights, the paint glows deep and rich, highlighting every sculpted curve and laser-straight body panel. This wasn't a quick respray. This was a frame-off restoration, every component removed, every detail addressed, every surface brought back to life with intention. But here's where things get serious. Under the hood sits a 350 cubic inch crate V8, the heart of modern small block Chevrolet performance. But this isn't carbureted nostalgia, it's been upgraded with FiTech electronic fuel injection. That means instant cold starts, smooth throttle response, reliable performance in any weather, no pumping the gas, no tuning headaches. Fuel flows through a Weiand intake manifold, feeding modern combustion with old school V8 character. Turn the key and it settles into that unmistakable small block rumble. Clean, confident, refined. Backing it is a 700R4 4-speed automatic transmission. That overdrive gear transforms this Impala from a city cruiser into a highway machine. You can roll comfortably at modern speeds without screaming RPMs. This car isn't just built to look good, it's built to drive. And keeping everything cool, an aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, a Serpentine belt system modernizes the accessory drive, improving reliability and efficiency. Every upgrade here has a purpose. Now let's talk ride quality, because this is where the Restomod transformation truly shines. This Impala rides on a full RideTech suspension setup. Up front, you've got coil springs, upgraded shocks, and a sway bar dialing in stability and control. Out back, tubular control arms, coil springs, and shocks complete the system. The result? A classic full-size Chevrolet that no longer floats like a boat, it glides with confidence. Add power steering and four-wheel power disc brakes, and suddenly this 1962 classic feels planted, responsive, and safe in modern traffic. No white-knuckle braking, no wandering steering, just smooth, controlled cruising. Step inside and the transformation continues, but subtly, the interior remains factory-correct red cloth and vinyl. Bench seating stretches across the cabin, inviting you to slide in, relax, and cruise the boulevard exactly the way Chevrolet intended in 1962. The red-on-red combination with Roman red exterior is bold, cohesive, and authentically American. And yes, it has air conditioning. That single feature changes everything, because now this isn't just a fair weather toy. This is a car you can drive comfortably in the heat of summer. Windows up, V8 humming, cool air flowing through a cabin that feels both vintage and refined. The details matter here. The dash layout, the steering wheel design, the clean gauges, the trim, everything feels intentional, not over-modernized, not stripped of character. It respects its heritage. And for those who care about documentation, build receipts are included. That means transparency, proof of restoration, confidence in the investment. Because make no mistake, cars like this are investments, not just financially. Emotionally, this is the kind of vehicle that pulls into a show and gathers a crowd within minutes. It's the kind of car that sparks conversations about first dates, drive-ins, and cross-country road trips. It represents an era when American cars were bold, dramatic, and unapologetically stylish. But unlike many classics, this one doesn't demand sacrifice to enjoy it. You don't have to fight vapor lock, you don't have to fear drum brakes, you don't have to worry about overheating in traffic. You just turn the key and drive. At $66,995, you're getting a fully restored, intelligently upgraded, turnkey 1962 Impala that delivers classic beauty with modern reliability. It's not a project, it's not a compromise. It's a statement that says you appreciate history, but you expect performance. A statement that says you want style, but you refuse to give up comfort. A statement that says you understand that true luxury isn't always about brand new technology. Sometimes it's about honoring the past while perfecting it. So here's the real question. Do you want a classic that looks good in the garage, or do you want one that looks good rolling down the highway, V8 singing, suspension planted, Roman red, glowing in the sun? Because this 1962 Chevrolet Impala Restomod was built to be driven. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the cleanest Impala builds we've featured, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and let me know, would you keep it factory wheels or go custom? I'll see you in the next one, and trust me, it only gets better from here.